Hi my beauties, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you all holy grail products of mine that I do swear by. And now before starting it off, I would like to mention that maybe possible these products might have worked a bit differently for some other people out there, but for me they were like awesome and they are my besties. So let's just start the video and let me just tell you guys the products that I actually do swear by. The first thing that I'd like to show you all is, I guess if you people are following me regularly, then you people know that this is the product that I am in love with. This is the Neutrogena's Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. Actually, I've decided to show you guys first my skincare, then my makeup products. So this is the best thing that I have ever came across. This helps me keep check on my skin oil actually, as well as it prevents any breakouts that I could have because of my oily skin. So I am seriously thankful to this product for all the wonders that it actually does for my skin. Then the second thing that I absolutely love about my skincare is my moisturizers. Now I use two of these to make sure that my skin behaves properly in all the time of the year. So this one is this one is for combination skin, and this one is for oily skin. This actually finishes off pretty soon because like 9 months of the year my skin behaves in an oily manner, and just 3 months of the year my skin is like a bit combination type, very oily on the T-zone, and the rest of the areas of my face are a bit dry. So in those months I like to use this one, or else this is my bestie. Then the next thing in my skincare I'd like to share with you all is my sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sun Block with an SPF of 50 plus and a PA triple plus. So this actually pretty much sorts all the need of sun protection that you have, and I never step out of my house without it. Trust me girls, I never step out of it. Then the next thing that I can actually swear by is this, my bio oil, as I use it on my face like twice in a week when it's summers, and thrice in a week, or like every alternate day when it's winters, and it actually helps me out with many of my problems that I actually have discussed in my skincare routine. If you people want me to tell you guys how it fares for my skin, then just go ahead and watch my skincare routine video, and I have explained it how it actually helps me out. Then now I'll be coming towards the makeup part. So the first thing that I'd like to show you all is my sweet little baby. This is the L'Oreal's Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. Its longevity cannot be challenged. Now, my holy grail products actually means the products that, live up to their claims. Now, if it claims a 24 hours longevity, nobody tests a product, a face product for 24 hours. But trust me girls, I wear it to my office, and when I come back home, I don't personally feel like I don't have makeup on. So I don't have a need of touch up when it comes up to this, using this. So this baby right here is awesome. I am in love with it. Then the next thing is another foundation of mine. This one is from Chembor, and I don't have an idea why I can't find like many YouTube bloggers like talk about it or use it. However, this baby is awesome. Trust me girls, this is having a mousse-like consistency, and it has a longevity of 6 to 7 hours. It stays on my oily skin for 6 to 7 hours, which is a wonder. And I am seriously happy with it. It's a tiny toony bottle. I was a bit demoralized when I saw the size of this bottle, but then it's okay. When a product fares well, size doesn't matter, does it? Oh my god. What did I say? Then the next thing is this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. Everybody, all of us know about this. This is the oldest one, and this is like, it is improving. I don't know how they're doing this, but it is improving with the passage of every moment. I simply don't know how, but it actually is. And I love this to the heart. It still is in my vanity, and I think when I'll be turning old and gray, I'll be having this baby in my vanity as well. So being said that, the next thing that I would like to show you guys is this LA Girls Pro BB cream. This is a new launch in India, but since I have started using it, now my Pond's and Maybelline's BB creams have taken a back seat, and I am all about this one because it actually gives beauty benefits to you as well. So go ahead and buy it. Then the next thing that I want to show you guys is a yet another product from Chambord. This is their compact, and look at it. This is so very pretty, and the speciality of this compact is this lasts with you forever because it is provided to you with a disc of compact that has 16 grams of product, as well as it has an extra disc of it in the box. I'm sorry, I opened it from the wrong side. So here it is. So when you run out of the first disc, you can actually insert this one into your packaging, and you can use it like it was never ended. And this is something that I am never going to finish off. I mean, it is on its way to reach me because mine kind of, broke. So I'm not going to show you guys opening it up and showing you guys that it actually broke. So I have ordered another one for me. So, and trust me, this has the R5 is the darkest shade of it, which is this, and it is perfect for me. So I guess beauties that are duskier than me are not going to get a benefit from it, and I'm requesting if they can, then Chambord people just benefit the others as well. Then the next thing that I personally feel like I do swear by is this primer. This one is by Inglot. Sorry, I was holding it wrong. Again, I did that. This one is from Inglot, and this is their eyeshadow primer, and I got it for like 500 odd bucks. This is how it looks. It has another variant which is a bit darker in color. So, but this one suits me better. So I love it. It actually lasts on your eyelids for like more than 7 to 8 hours on my eyelids, especially when I have such oily eyelids that I can't explain it to you guys. It's like I have very, very, very oily eyelids, but this actually lasts on my eyelids a lot. The next product that I can actually swear by is the Lakme Absolute Kohl Pencil. This seems to be a little bit like this. They have changed their packaging and their way. They have provided this little detailed smudger brush with it, which is useless. Do not use it on your eyes. It is like rubbing rubber on your eyelids, which is not great. But the Kohl pencil, it's awesome. A single swipe gives you like a very precise line. It actually resembles to some gel liners. I guess the formulation is like those only, and it lasts on my oily, greasy eyelids for like 4 to 5 hours, I guess, on my eyelids, 6 to 7 hours on my waterline. So if I'm saying that it lasts on my eyelids for 4 to 5 hours, it's awesome, because generally 99% of these cream or gel based products do have a tendency to transfer on the crease. So this baby is awesome if it lasts for 3 to 4 hours even. Then I love the Colossal's eyeliner. This baby is just awesome. Just have a look at the tip. It's so precise, and it helps you draw your wing so very well. It works like magic. This one, it sincerely works like magic. It's awesome. I don't have words to define now. Actually being out of words now. It's a situation. It comes, doesn't it? Then I have the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner, and generally I'm not at all a fan of colored liners and kohl pencils. So I don't particularly like using them. I don't know why. Maybe while blogging, I might try it once or twice, and if I like it on me, I personally feel it won't suit my skin tone. I have a dusky skin tone. You people can see and judge. So this is how the bottle looks. See, this is like a very sexy, shiny type of a bottle, and it has a very precise felt tip, very helpful in carving out your, wing. I love it. I love this beauty. I love it. I love it. I love it to death. Then again, we have an old bestie of ours. This is the Colossal Mascara. Now, if you are anyhow a makeup lover, like if you are only a kajal and mascara and a lip gloss person, then too mascara comes into scene. So this is the Colossal Mascara, love of every girl. So this is awesome. I don't have to talk much about it. It just gives so much volume and so much longevity to the lashes. It just works wonderfully. It's awesome, and I can't emphasize on more. If you don't have it, then you should have it. This is the best mascara I have used till date, and I have used quite a lot of them, girls. Trust me. Then now I'll be coming up to my lip products. Now I am not a lip liner person. I don't like using way too much of lip liners, but still I do use some basic colors. Like I personally feel like I love using pinks, but being said that, I am not able to carry pinks properly. So what I do tend to do is I actually use my pink eyeliners, lip liners, sorry. Who the hell does uses pink eyeliners? Ankita, you're being stupid. Anyhow, I love this eyeliner. This is from NYX. This is their slim pencil. I have one Maybelline one as I have a Lakme one. But let me tell you frankly, guys, they're not that awesome as this is. I have worn it like 4 to 5 times till yet, and it's awesome. It doesn't leaves your lips. So this is how the color looks like. I personally feel like that I can wear it individually as well, like a lip shade all over my mouth. How do you people think? How will it look? Do let me know. This is the color. You can have a look at it once more. And I want true comments, okay? Because if you'll say that this will fare out for me on my lips, I am going to wear it. Trust me. So do let me know. Okay? Then I'm going to show you a few lipsticks of mine that I actually love. First of all, I want you people to see the only orange lipstick that I have, apart from this, the one that I am wearing on my lips right now, because this is the LA Girls lip gloss that I have shown you people in my haul video that I have recorded prior to this. It would be on air like before this video is, so you people might have seen it. So this lipstick actually is on a trial basis because I have to do a review for you guys. So I'm not counting this under my oranges. This is something which is awesome, you guys. This thing is awesome. Like a dusky beauty like me, we can actually commit some humongous mistakes while carrying an orange lipstick. But this is the Chambers Orange Flambe. This shade is awesome. If you are a duskier skin tone beauty and you seriously want to use an orange lipstick, you should go ahead with this. This stuff is awesome. I'll swatch it up for you guys. Like it takes 2 to 3 swipes, but it shows up pretty well on your lips. It looks very subtle on the lips. It's not like that vibrant, which actually clashes with our pretty skin tone. So that is one of my favorite lipsticks. I'll be doing my favorite lipsticks videos, because these are not all of my favorite lipsticks, but these are the ones on whom I can actually swear by, as per the title. So then, after using the orange, showing you people the orange one, I'm going to show you my pink lipsticks. This one is from Color Show, Maybelline's Color Show. This is M104. The shade is M104, and this is a very pretty neon pink color. Can you guys see this? Yeah. This is a very pretty neon pink color. It's awesome. It looks very beautiful on skin. like on my skin as well as on my sister's skin. She is very fair, so this is a shade of lipstick that is going to fare out on each and every single one of us. I'm going to swatch it up for you guys so you people can have a look at it. This is the shade right here. Isn't it gorgeous? It actually is. Trust me, it seriously is. And it looks way too beautiful than can be expected on your lips. Then the another pink lipstick that I love to use is from the Lakme Absolute Matte range. Please forgive me the packaging because I use it like hell, so it's a bit like, you know, foreign types, because it is put to use like regular on a regular basis. Whenever I personally feel like that I need to use a pink lipstick, my hands reach for this a lot, at least. One single swipe and this is the result, girls. Just a single swipe and this is what the result is. This is awesome. This stuff is awesome, really. Seriously, is awesome. And the shade is, it's known as Pink Passion. The name, thankfully it's just a name, not the number. So it's Pink Passion. You can go ahead and buy it. It's an awesome color. The color payoff is very well. I swatched it once in front of you guys and look at the color payoff. It's worth the money. The money that you spend on it, it's worth it. Trust me. Now of course, now coming up to the good old reds. The first lipstick that I actually can swear by and it lives up all to its claims is this. This one is from Lakme Absolute Matte Collection and the shade is Maroon Magic, and this shade lasts for 6 hours and it is superbly matte, so it lives up both of its claims. This is the lip shade. It's awesome, girls. It looks like awesome when it is on our lips. I just love it. I simply love it. The only problem which I have with this lipstick is, as well as this one also, the Lakme people actually make lipsticks that are flat in the front. So it actually causes a bit too much of a trouble reaching to the corners of your lips. Apart from that, these two lipsticks, you're not going to hear any complaint from my end, at least. I'm not going to complain about anything when it comes up to these two ones. These are awesome. Then coming up to the good old Maybelline. Here it is. And I am in the shade, this is the shade, sorry, I'm not in the shade, but this is the shade. I'm sorry, I couldn't find the shade. But this is, I guess, this was the cranberry red stuff. Yeah, it's the cranberry red. This is how it looks. I'm sorry, I finished almost all of it. I'll have to rebuy it. Just don't forget, Ankita. Never forget. When it comes up to your red lipstick, you'll never forget. Then, this is how it looks, guys. They look quite similar on the camera, but in real life, they're very different. No, they won't be looking similar. Observe it closely, guys. This is a bit like, you know, a pinky undertoned lipstick. And this is like a brown undertoned red. It's a proper brown undertoned red, a proper red. And this is like a bit combination type. You can see. So this is one of my favorite lipsticks. It claims that it lasts for 14 hours. Its stain actually lasts for 14 hours. It does last for 14 hours, but the lipstick wears off after like 8 to 9 hours. It starts fading off, but the lip stain that it leaves on your lips actually stays for a longer while. Then the last product that I am going to show you all is very obvious, from the Stars collection of L'Oreal. This is Pure Garnet, signed by Sonam Kapoor. The shade is awesome, you girls. It's awesome. This is a very deep plum shade lipstick, and look at it. This shade is actually a shade for days when you are feeling that I'm sorry, My lipstick doesn't love me at all. Anyhow, this shade I was telling you guys is for those days when you actually feel like that you don't want to wear any other makeup but for your lipstick. So it will just apply a dab of it and it will instantly bright up your face, and you're ready to go wherever you want, and you'll be able to drag everybody else's attention, not yours, but everybody else's attention towards yourself by the help of your quite pouty lips. I'm sorry for that. So with that, I end up with my Holy Grail products video, and yeah, that's pretty much it, because these are the only products that I can actually swear by to you guys that you people should go ahead and buy them. They are awesome. They are my personal favorites. I have tested them like for years. So these are the ones which are like my babies. I love them because these are the stuffs that actually I repurchase them a lot. Like one ends, I create a backup. So you should go ahead and buy all of these or any one of these, and do let me know in the comments below what were your favorite products out of these, as well as do not forget to hit thumbs up for this video if you had liked it. Along with that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure that people don't miss anything that is coming along in the near future for you guys. Till then, okay then, I'll take you all's leave and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, do take care of yourself. I love you all. Bye.